Hey guys, welcome back to yet another video of TechWafer. Hopefully you're having a great day. Adil here, your host, and in this video I'm about to unbox the vivo's Y21. It is just released last week and here it is. Let's take a look at the box and then we'll move forward with its unboxing and the key specifications. As you can see, there's Y21's branding along with the Vivo at the top, and there's also the mention of the memory or the storage. This phone has 4 GB of RAM coupled with 64 GB of internal storage, and hopefully there is an expandable storage there. And the key features that are mentioned on the box includes 8.0mm trendy slim design, 4000 mAh battery with 18 watt of fast charging, that's a good thing, and an extended RAM option as well. As far as the color is concerned, the color that we have with us is metallic blue, and I've seen the design of it and I'm pretty sure that you will love it too. Before we move any further, the rest of the specifications are mentioned on the screen. Do let me know what do you think about them in the comments below. Let's just quickly unbox it. Okay, so now let's take the lid off and there we go. At the top there's this mini box as usual, and it carries the user documentation and the technical guide. And apart from that, we are also getting the silicone case along with the phone. Moving forward, let's just check out the design of the device. And here comes the metallic blue color of the vivo's Y21. It definitely looks stunning, and as far as the build quality is concerned, it is made up of polycarbonate material. Even though I'm trying to get the fingerprints on the device, they are not being visible at all. Somehow the fingerprints and smudges are being absorbed into the design. And there comes the 18-watt power brick. It is the standard power brick that Vivo has been providing with all of their Y series smartphone. And I'm pretty hopeful that this 18-watt power brick is going to charge the 5000 mAh battery of the vivo's Y21 in a reasonable time. The very next thing that you are going to find in the box is a USB Type-C connecting cable. We're also getting the SIM ejector toolkit. So that's it for the unboxing experience. Now let's get back to the design and the experience of the device. Okay, so now that I've set up the device, before moving on to the designing section, let's talk about the performance of the fingerprint as well as the face unlock. And here we go. As you can see, the fingerprint scanner is working quickly and it is instantaneous. And now let's test the face unlock feature, and it is also working quickly too. So there we go. So the face unlock and the fingerprint scanner both are working quickly. Now speaking about the display, the phone has 6.51 inches IPS LCD panel with HD plus resolution that makes it 720 x 1600 pixels, and for the pixels people out there, it has 270 pixels per inches density. As far as the screen to body ratio is concerned, that's 81.8% and it seems reasonable in this price. Keeping the tradition of the Y series, Vivo's placed a view drop notch and there houses an 8 megapixel selfie shooter. We're going to test its performance shortly, so stay tuned for that. At the right side of the phone, you will find the volume rockers placement along with the fingerprint and the power button. And as far as their ease of use is concerned, they are reachable easily even when using the smartphone single-handed. And the buttons are tactile and the feel is smooth at the same time. At the left side of the phone, you are going to find nothing. While speaking about the bottom, you are going to find a speaker grill that houses single speaker along with a USB Type-C connector, a microphone and a 3.5mm headphone jack. At the top, you are going to find the SIM tray placement, so let's just open it and find out whether or not this phone provides an expandable storage option with a dedicated microSD card. And yes, we are getting a dedicated microSD card along with the dual SIM slot, and apart from that, we are also getting a water protection seal there, as you can see. Now speaking about the back is clearly shiny and it is made up of polycarbonate material, so to protect it from fingerprint smudges because of the shiny back and also from scratches, you'll have to use the clear TPU case provided in the box like this. And while we are speaking about the back, you can find the camera bump which can be covered with a silicone case. As you can see, considering the price range, the phone is offering a decent build quality with the rectangular shape, and it is kind of premium design that they are providing in this particular price range, and it is good. And I'm only speaking about the design for the time being. Now speaking about the rear camera setup, the phone has a 13 megapixel primary shooter along with the 2 megapixel macro lens, and you can let me know how did you find their samples in the comments below. Now speaking about the software, the vivo's Y21 is running Android 11.0, and at the top of that runs the FunTouch OS, which is the vivo's own skin, and it comes preloaded with few bloatwares, not much. These unwanted apps can be uninstalled by just tapping, holding and then pressing the uninstall button. And if you want to switch between apps, that is also working reasonably well. Speaking about the daily usage, the phone can handle social media apps like Facebook, Twitter and also Instagram, along with watching movies on Netflix and watching videos on YouTube easily without any problem. And users can also enjoy games like Temple Run and Subway Surfer. And while we're speaking about the Netflix, let's test out the speaker system of the vivo's Y21, and here we go. So overall, it is an average speaker system that they are providing, and in this particular price segment, I don't find any other brand providing stereo speaker setup, so I cannot complain about that. This phone has a 5000 mAh battery, and that comes with an 18 watt power brick inside the box, which is going to charge this phone's 5000 mAh battery from empty to 100% in around 1 hour and 45 minutes mark. But I'm going to test it and include the results in the full review, so stay tuned for that. The 5000 mAh battery is enough, and it is going to last maybe 2 days for some users, but if you are an intensive user, it can easily last a day and a half for sure. But for an intensive user, it can still easily last for a day and a half without any known trouble. And these are just my claims. I'll make sure to test it thoroughly and include the results in the review. Okay, so that's it for the unboxing and the first impressions of the vivo's Y21. And if you have any query related to this smartphone or any other, get in touch with me over the Instagram, the link is in the description. And if you have not subscribed to TechWafer already, a sub to the channel will be highly appreciated. With that being said, I will see you in the next one. Till then, peace out.